Fidget trade-off, part 2.
Let's go.
First one.
Deal.
Next round, I'll give you this tie-dye poppet and this rainbow poppet. What do you have to trade?
I'll trade in this mini poppet and this awesome poppet case. Yes.
No, decline. This is bigger than this.
Decline. Okay, my last round.
Let's see what you have to trade.
I'm trading these monkey noodles.
Okay.
This a poppet case.
Ooh, okay.
This stress ball.
Ooh, okay.
Not one, but 2 marble mash.
Oh my god. Okay.
This squid.
Okay.
This giant ice cream poppet.
Okay.
And last but not least, this spin ball.
Ooh, I have the best offer.
Take it or leave it.
I'll take it. I have the best offer.
Okay.
I'll give you this simple dimple.
Are you serious, Mauricio?
A simple dimple. Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it.
No.
Why not?
No.
Why not? It's the best.
And we're still giving fidgets to our TikTok followers.
Let it go.